I came from Luxembourg because after a lot of research on the internet, I decided that the clinic, the Radiance and Dr. Iskandar would be the best to do what I wanted to be done. By the time I decided to come to Dallas and I was asked to send some pictures, I didn't find any single picture where you can see me smiling with my teeth showing after the age of 3. No one knew how my actual teeth looked like in the very beginning, because what I had was not my teeth anymore. It was years after years after years of changing of crowns after crowns after crowns. And in the beginning I was only thinking about doing upper arch, because bottom I still have several teeth which were mine and they were okayish. And he said, yes, we can do it. When do you want to do it? And I said, I want to do it in August, because that's when I have my vacation. I think by July I decided I want to do both arches. So I came here and I was super excited, because I was thinking about it in distant thought for many years, and I was actively thinking for it before I came here in August. So April, May, June, July, 4 months. I was counting days. So we started at 8:30 in the morning, and I finally woke up. It was 4. I got 25 teeth removed, 25 in 6 hours. Immediately I got 13 implants put in. And by 5, I had my first temps installed. And until this moment, I do not regret any single decision that I made in this almost 1-year process. And I came back to Luxembourg and everybody said, oh, you have a Hollywood smile.